Hi. We got Monday here, October 12th. We had a good morning here at school. I wish you could have joined us because we're busy moving on to lots of new things. Our topic this week in reading is, what is it like where you live? So we did a lot of talking about two words, the word country, and country is the land outside a town or city where there are farms and not many buildings or people. And we also had the word city. A city is a large town with tall buildings and many people. And then as we worked on that in reading, we got to read a story about 6 kids about some little chicks who live on a farm. Please see that on your Wonders Connect Ed that I list there with homework that you can go and read that story. And also, we did a paper that's at the back of your packet that's like this, where we found out that urban is like city and rural is like country. And we had to cut out and sort out the pictures and decide what kind of place they are at, whether they are placed in the city or if they are placed in the country. So please take care of that, because that's our big topic this week is, what is it like where you live? In fact, take a minute today, look around your town and see what it is like around here. In class, we decided it's, we don't really have a city. We're kind of more like a town, which is kind of in between. Okay, and then for reading, so we could read those stories about those 6 kids, we are learning about the sound. Insect, insect, We found out this, with just a pinky up, is a sign for insect. So say it with me. Insect, insect, ready? And the spelling is I. One more time. Insect, insect, and the spelling is I. So we did a lot of reading with some words with that sound, and that then had us looking at our spelling words too. But in our packet, we did this page. We had to read these words and decide which picture matched that word. Careful with this one. Look at where the arrow points. So this word, in. Is it fan or fin? We agreed it's fin. So you'll need to do these on your own. Please read the words. Don't just guess, but read the words out loud and then find the picture that it names. And we also had this paper to do. This gave us some more practice on words with because all those words at the top have them. And we had to see which word went with which picture. Let me tell you the picture. Dig, pin, kiss, win, he is the winner, and pick. So choose a word from the box to put in each space. Please read carefully. And then we found out our spelling words, which we wrote on cards, but you can find those spelling words in your spelling homework packet. And they are also on this next page in your packet, in this packet. So the words are there. You can trace the letters because there's pin, hit, kiss. Oh, let's see. It's hard to read this way. Win. That's a medal, like they win. Sit, kiss, and then nap and can are review words from last week. And we have 2 new words, out. See, it's going out and up. So those are spelling words. Be sure to do the work in your spelling packet also. And then one more job that you do on your own. So you have to cut out the letters down here and spell out the word for each picture. There's pin, fin, pig. So be careful with those. Now I kind of was talking about on your spelling words, the words out and up were special words we're learning this week. And they are. Because here is the word. Oh, let's see if I can find the right one here. Hold on. Here is our word out that we are learning to read and spell. O-U-T spells out. The boys and girls are going out the door. Get that word in your brain. O-U-T, out. And then like our spelling list showed us, here is the word up. The kids are going up the hill. U-P, up. Up, up. And the other ones that are like that, just let me check this spelling list. Oh, that's right. Okay. So kind of the opposite of up is down. The kids are going down the steps. So here's down, D-O-W-N, down. These are on your word cards too, so I hope you're checking those out, cutting them apart and practicing them. Here's the word very. This is definitely a city, isn't it? It is very crowded in the city. So here's very, V-E-R-Y, very. Okay, so I think that will take care of the reading work. And now for math for today, we got our Go Math book out and on page 55. And so we practice all our different strategies of how to add with making pictures or a model and also using our number line. And we use some of our rules we know about adding too. So on the first page, if you're doing this at home, the story problem is down there at the bottom in the blue. So parents, you can read that. So we did make a picture though to go with it. And it starts off that there are 2 children in line for the slide and then 4 more come. And how many kids are in line for the slide now? Now, we talked a lot about some important things in here in writing an equation. We know that the first numbers, the numbers that we add are the add-ins, and the answer is the sum. So when you write it for this, make sure you have the 2 add-ins and the sum. Okay, and then inside on this next page, page 56, there are pictures to help us. We don't have to draw them on this one. But we are noticing how we're going to write the equation, not just across, but now up and down. So now the add-ins go in the boxes at the top, and then that straight line is the same as equal, and then the sum at the bottom. So we did this page. The pictures are really helpful. And then on this side, we started using our number lines. So we did a few together, and we used our number lines to remind us if we want to do that. What's this first one? 1 plus 2. So I'll start my line at 1, and then I'll add 2 more. I got to go 2 spaces. 1, 2. There's our answer, 3. See how I moved the number line? And then the next one was 2 plus 2, so I better start at 2. I'm going to go 2 more. So here we go. 1 space, 2 space. My answer is 4. Now number 7 on here, we're like, what? That's so cinchy because it's 0 plus 3. Do you remember that rule about 0 plus, when you add 0? When 0 is added, the number stays the same. So I even tried a hard one like 100 plus 0. And everyone knew it was 100. And it's the same as on your paper. 0 plus 3, well, 3 plus 0 is 3. So if you don't need your number line, if you can just use a rule about adding 0, then please do that. Okay? And that's all the work we did in Go Math. We did not do these pages or go any further. We'll get to them tomorrow. And also in math, everyone has, let me get it over here. Hang on. I'm back. You have this math addition packet that you're supposed to be working in when you get other math done. So I hope today that you can try to get a page or 2 finished up in here. Don't forget, if you have an afternoon class, be sure to come to that. I think some kids in our class have that at 12:30 today. So please make it to all your Zoom meetings you can. Thanks for listening to this video. Hope you get everything done. We got to keep learning and trying our best. So see you tomorrow, I hope. Take care. Bye-bye. Let me get my red box I have to click. That's my stop sign. Here we go. Bye-bye.